So as an add-on to the workouts, once a week, a lot of people like doing biceps and tricep work. So whether you're using a band or just a dumbbell, it's good to do some high volume work there. Works quite well. You don't need to push it too hard, but just to keep those tendons healthy through the forearm and the bicep tendon healthy. And just change it up a little bit each month to keep it interesting. At the moment I'm just doing some basic curls like that, coming up, getting a bit of shoulder flexion, taking through a full range of motion. I'm not too focused or fussed about it, but just to try and keep those tissues healthy. If I want to develop the one-arm pull-up, I've got to kind of make sure that I'm doing those supplementary things to make sure the tendons are healthy. Then with the triceps, I'm using that overhead position to really try and get a nice lat stretch there and try and hit that handstand line, which I find is super hard to keep the ribs in because the lats want to pull me into that flared extension position. So not going too heavy on that, but just keeping that good form and really trying to hit that nice handstand line. I find that's a good kind of couplet to do. I actually use that with my heavy squats because the heavy squats are separated from horizontal pull and push. And they're quite light, they're not really taxing on the body, they're more kind of just in the arms a little bit. And when I do back squats, my arms aren't really doing anything at all, so it's just through the traps a little bit and into the spine and the core. And I'm pulling a little bit on the bar, but nothing that's going to hold me back from. So it helps me get a longer rest period rather than just standing around. I use that for my rest period. So it's a good thing to build into the week if you've got time. But if you don't, those major compound lifts are much more important. So yeah, if you've got any questions on that, send them through. See you soon.